I think it's a nest.
I really did think they were funny. I was just having a bit of a bad day!
Girl, what the actually asked me to give you this.
Broke my comedy mask.
So, Kane, we have an What exit? If there was a way to leave, I'm pretty sure we'd have all left by now.
If anyone needs me, then f off.
Fine with doing whatever, as long as I get to see funny things happen to people. By the way, I may have left something in your room today, so let me know if you find it. You're not afraid of centipedes, are you? This is dumb and weird.
Well, yet you're still watching it.
I'm not here for the adventure or anything. I'm just here to hide from the...
Wow.